Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome back to another scam exposure video. Guys, if you don't know what I do, every day I wake up, go to work, come home, and try and take on the scummiest apps to walk the earth. Guys, I've been asked to try out Golden Luck, an app that promises you real life money, PayPal rewards, Starbucks rewards apparently, and Amazon gift cards. And essentially real life money. So it's one of these apps that promises real life money to try out their app, okay? So, oh my lord, we've started off with a terrible start, massive red flag, the dreaded puzzle system. Guys, if you don't know what this puzzle system's all about, this is what keeps you all playing the app, okay, and watching advertisements. I can almost guarantee for me to spin this again, to spin this little lucky spin, I'm going to have to watch an ad, okay? And this is how it starts. There you go. Spin. See that little place? Look, you ready? Watch this. I'm going to be Houdini right now. We're going to be a magician. Call me the dark magician, brother. You ready? Ad. Yeah, we're scamming people. Whoa! This is great. I'm over it. What's this trash app anyway? Color block. Yeah, okay, let's try it. Color block next time. I just don't get it. Like, guys, explain to me. Well, now I've just crashed the whole app. I've just killed the app. Oh my lord, what have I done here? Oh, we're back. Okay, good. I just don't understand how Google allows this app to be on the Play Store. I have to watch another ad. Oh my lord, here we go. It started already, bro. Like, bro, I can't handle it. I can't handle apps that force ads down your throat. Now, if you see ads on my videos, that's because I'm trying to make a living out of YouTube. I'm not scamming you guys. I'm here to show content, alright? These Muppets are forcing ads down our throat. Okay, it just kills me. I'm just gonna relaunch this. I'm relaunching this, guys. Legitimately. There's no way I'm gonna sit through an ad. I'm just gonna relaunch the whole app. Absolute joke. Let's roll again. Here we go. Open. I don't want to open an ad. You have won cash. Okay, once you meet the requirements, you can get a huge bonus. What's the cash out value? Why is it taking me to a website? Okay, it's actually taking me to a website. 5 million gems equals $50. $100 equals $100. $100 card equals $500 USD. 150 lucky equals 1,000, and 200 fruit equals $10,000. Oh my lord, they're promising $10,000 in this app, Golden Luck. Are you guys off your heads? Are you so stupid? Seriously. Okay, I press the escape button, it gives me an ad anyway. What an absolute joke of the earth. I mean, how scummy of development can you be? I hate apps. Absolutely despise apps where if you press the exit, it gives you an ad. Do you know how much that hurts me emotionally? I'm angry now. Look, to spin the slot machine, I have to watch an ad. To spin the lucky wheel, no ad. Amazingly. Wow. Okay, I got $1. Save in the wallet, watch an ad. Are you serious? I actually want to punch a hole through my screen right now. Look, I can't even get out of this. Bro, how do I get out of it? I have to just watch the ad. There's nothing I can do. Save in wallet. There is no escape button for me not to say yes to this. I'm just going to cancel. I'm just going to close the app again. Sucked in, developers. That's the best thing I can say to you. Literally just going to close the app every time you try and scum me out with ads. Guys, seriously, like, you're not going to win money on this app. Like, can you not see how scummy the developers are? Like, you can't tell already? They're trying to force you to watch ads. That's the worst practice I can imagine. I can't handle it. Let's keep going here. Nothing. Roll. You even have an energy system here as well. That's classic. You have a chance to get an extra reward. Open. No, I don't care. Nope, don't care. Rate us. 1 to 4. Wish there was a 1 star, bro. Got another puzzle piece. Sick. Have to watch the ad to spin it. Nope. No thanks. 318 coins. Cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. They can't even, like, the ad's even broken. The ad was even broken for that app just then. That's how bad it is. 420, bro. 420. Nice. Nope. Let's roll. Get. Okay, good. I have 5 Amazon gift card. How many do I need again? I need 100. I need 100 Amazon gift card. Okay, big prize. What else we got down here? Watch a video plus 1 ticket. Watch a video. No. My god, app. How sad is this, everyone? What are we doing with our lives? Oh my... I hate yous. I absolutely hate you. Whoever that was in that film clip, I really hope that you're proud of being in that film. I really hope that you're proud of it. And I hope to God that you don't know you're in that app, and I hope they just used you without talking to you. Because if you agree to be in that advertisement just to get some money, just remember you're scamming the public, dude. Just so you can get some cash. Pathetic. You get 11 cents. Redeem a gift card or cash out. I can't even close this. I have to watch an advertisement to try and redeem 11 cents. What kind of idiot am I, dude? Like, honestly, I'm just going to close the app again. Absolute scumbag developers, bro. I'm not scared. I don't got nothing to lose, dude. I don't care. I could not care less about what they think of me. This is pathetic. How dumb. Are you poor people out there that play these apps, bro, properly expecting money? I feel so bad for you all, man. I really do. It makes me so angry. I'd love to hear your opinion, guys, on what you think of Golden Luck. I think it's a joke. It has to be banned. Like, apps like this have to be destroyed. Like, Google needs to wake up and do something. It's just offered me 2 times in a row to watch an ad, by the way. Just an FYI. Just can't handle it. I cannot handle this stupidity anymore. I've played over 114 apps on my channel in the last month and a half, guys. I'm well over it. I'm well over these stupid apps. But I feel like I have an obligation now to stick to it. Because without me showing you these videos, you're going to think these apps are legit. Pops Connect. I'm going to try all these scam apps out. I'm dedicating my channel to stopping these scams. That's it, man. Someone has to do it. You have other people that are just trying out these apps in general in their channels. But I'm here to show you that they're scams, bro. It's a joke. It's an absolute scam. Oh my god, I'm getting so sick of these things giving me ads, bro. What is this? What's this now? Big Win Hunter. Another phishing app. Another scam, scummy phishing app that says it's going to earn you money. Oh my lord. Are you joking me? I can't wait to try that on my channel either. Spin. Okay, here we go. Oh, 500 coins. Wow, that's great. Absolute pathetic scumbag developers. I'm so mad. I'm so angry. You can tell I'm so angry, bro. I'm just over it. I'm over getting ripped. Look, I've had like 50 ads, dude, in this video. How many ads have I actually had in this video? Can someone actually go back and count? I swear I've had about 10 ads easily right now. Easily. I can't even roll anymore. I have to watch an ad. I have to watch an ad for 10 rolling power. Oh my god. I'm going to keep on scratching here my tickets. I have to watch an ad for 11 cents. Do you know what? Guys, I'm wiping my hands clean of this pathetic app, Golden Luck. I hope you get destroyed by Google. I hope Google comes down on you like a ton of bricks and bans you all. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out my channel for more scam busting videos. I cover all types of apps that are trying to rip you off, okay? So, thank you very much. See you in the next episode. Catch you around. See you later.